Welcome back to Ground Up Guts, everybody. We're going to do a quick update on the gas tank garden. We are going to power wash the gas tank and paint that thing white. Farm Implement White. That should stand up to any kind of weather, any kind of sun. Gonna be a lot nicer than this ugly gray. I don't know who painted this before, but I'm not gonna hire them.
And then he starts at the top. So he can drip down, right?
Yeah.
We were just talking a little bit ago about being kids and how we rode them like a horse. And it's just country kids do that. It's fun.
Jumping.
And I did it in International Harvester Red. Yep. Same as the lid for this, which is right here. Because I had extra paint. Oh, that looks so pretty. It's got really good coverage. That's only one coat.
There you are, first coat. And this implement paint is really good stuff. I mean, that's one coat, and the coverage is great. Looks so much better than that old gray that we had. So makes I still don't like having a gas tank right off my front porch. So we're going to hide it with flowers and paint it so it doesn't look too bad. I really like this Indian head. I think that was American Gas. And like it if you like it. Subscribe for more. We'll be doing more and more on this gas tank right off my front porch.